Okay, today we're making a metal strip to secure the air conditioner down on my pontoon boat so it can be mobile and go down the road. Let's go. And there you go, a bracket to hold my air conditioner to my boat. Let's get her installed. Alright, we had to make our first corner, and it sticks out a little bit too long, so we're going to trim it down. So it don't hang over the board. Using drywall screws. Make another fold in it. Go down. Get to the bottom, we're going to make one more fold in it. Right there. Just like that, we made a strap to hold the air conditioner down. Let's get her secured. Not going anywhere now. And here you go. I got the air conditioner sitting on a bracket that's screwed to the wall, screwed to the floor. And now I got a strap all the way around the AC. That holds it where it can't bounce up. And it's foamed in on the inside of the window. And it's all foamed in here. And underneath that foam is some screws that have the window locked in place where it can't go up and down. Oh yeah. The fisherman's cabin is going to be ice cold. Let's go.